So this is a retaliatory stop because I did this, right? I did this.
That didn't offend
It's a retaliatory
me at all, sir.
stop,
If you
huh?
feel like that, that's totally
It's a
fine, but
retaliatory
please,
stop,
let me see your driver's license.
Unlawful stop. So what's your name and your badge number?
He was just sitting inside his car, quietly, doing nothing suspicious. Without speeding, without reckless moves, yet a police cruiser pulled up beside him. The officer didn't announce a traffic stop, just started questioning. The man looked confused, unsure why he was being approached at all. In the middle of the day, with nothing illegal in sight, a peaceful moment turned tense. The kind of moment that raises a question. How often does power knock, even when you haven't called?
I have civil litigation against you for trying to break into my vehicle. Here's the thing, you don't care if you lose your job, if you lose a lawsuit, you don't care.
I could end up in jail.
Nope.
You're,
and if I do, I'm suing the shit out. I'm suing the shit out of you.
Highway Patrol, sir, you were stopped for speeding. Please let me see your driver's license.
Speeding. Why did you stop me?
For speeding, sir, you're doing 81.
No, I wasn't. I was going 75.
I'm sorry?
No, I wasn't. I was going 75. You see this? That.
And I verified your speed with my
You want to
radar.
fight that in court? Because I have. No. I have dash cam right here. That proves I was going 75.
You can take that to court, but it's going to be a warning anyway.
So this is a retaliatory stop because I did this, right? I did this.
That didn't offend me.
It's a retaliatory
at all, sir.
stop,
If you
huh?
feel like that, that's totally
It's a
fine, but
retaliatory
please,
stop,
let me see your
huh?
driver's license.
No, because this is an unlawful stop. So what's your name and your badge number?
For Louis Borja, sir, my ID number is 11810. Please let me see your driver's license.
This is a retaliatory stop. I was going
Sir, I need
75.
to see your driver's license.
What's gonna happen if I don't provide it? What's gonna happen if I don't provide it?
Today I'm gonna find out who you are. You're gonna get a warning.
No, you're not gonna find out anything because this is a retaliatory stop. It's a retaliatory stop right here.
Sir, I need to see your driver's
What
license.
section do you work out of, or sector do you work out of, so I can file a complaint against
You can
you?
file a complaint, sir. I work out of Dallas.
Dallas?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll find out who you are.
Okay,
I'll find out your.
you will, because in the warning that I'm going to give you, my name and ID information will be there.
I'm gonna
Please
find
let me
out a
see your
lot
driver's
more. I'm
license.
gonna find out your salary and every single
That's
complaint you've
fine. You
ever
can do
had,
that.
all
Yes,
your
sir.
disciplinary actions you've ever had.
Yes, sir. You can do that, but please let me see your driver's license.
No, I was going 75.
Here's the deal. This isn't a TikTok video. You're not going to just leave here. Today I stopped you for a traffic violation, and I need to see your driver's license. Please let me see your driver's license.
I'm gonna tell you the deal. I'm the one that pays your salary, my taxes. You stopped me because I did this. I was going 75, and my dash cam is recording the whole time,
that's
recording my
totally fine.
speed.
Totally fine. Please let me see your driver's license.
Are you gonna give me a ticket?
No, sir. You're going to get a warning.
No, this is a retaliatory stop right here, and I'm not gonna provide ID if I
You
haven't
think you're
committed.
going to get a warning for a retaliatory stop?
So
You know
you know what? Let me tell you the
did
deal.
Give me the finger. I do remember
Yeah,
you doing that,
I
but
did.
that has nothing to do with it. Your speed was observed well before that. You came over the crest of the hill. You were doing 81 miles an hour.
So let me tell you
Today
that
we're
deal.
finding out some things. Please let me see your driver's license.
Let me tell you the deal. I can only provide my light. No, you're not gonna open my door. That's why I locked it.
You're not free to leave.
That's why I locked it. You're not gonna violate my Fourth Amendment right. You know what you just did right there? You attempted to violate my Fourth Amendment right. And now I can reach. And now we reach the point where I have civil litigation against you for trying to break into my vehicle. Yeah, that's a lawsuit right there. You tried to break into my car, right? Because I gave you the finger. And let me tell you the thing is.
You're being stopped is for speed. Please let me see.
So
your driver's
let me
license.
tell you.
I'm going to keep asking you, and I'm going to be as polite as I possibly can the whole time. But you're going to give me your driver's license today.
So let me tell you the deal. I only provide my license if I've committed a crime or a traffic infraction. No,
That is
no,
a
I went
traffic violation in the
75.
state of Texas.
So
Do me a favor. You're not free to leave. There's an officer watching you here. I'm going to call for backup, and today we will identify you. I'm going to ask you one more time. Please let me see your driver's license.
give me a supervisor.
It doesn't work like that. Okay?
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't work like
And a
that.
member of the public requests
Here's the thing.
supervisor.
Would you give me your driver's license?
No, I won't. Give me a
I'll be right back.
supervisor.
You're
Give me a
not free to
supervisor.
leave.
So state trooper stopped me because I gave him the finger as I was driving, and my dash cam right here and right here is basically recording my speed that I was going. I had it on my cruise control too, turn off the cruise control so I could slow down and stop for his traffic stop. But he's trying to ask for my ID illegally.
Now, sir, let me tell you something. I noticed that you've got DV tags on your car.
Yeah,
I did 20 years in the Air Force myself.
Good for you.
Now listen, I am shocked that a veteran would react this way at a simple traffic stop, especially to one that you're going to get a warning on.
let me tell you something.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
So you're shocked because you drank the Kool-Aid when you were in?
I'm sorry?
You're shocked because you drank the Kool-Aid when you were in. I did my time, I
Okay.
got out, and I let it go. I let it go
Totally
already.
fine, but here's the deal. We don't act like that. This is a legal traffic stop in which I need to identify you very simple. Okay, very simple.
Just run my tags and get my identity like that.
Well, you see, that's just it. I just did. I'm finding that out. But here's the thing. I still don't know that that's you. Okay, so I'm assuming it is, but it's not. Here's the one thing that I'm going to tell you for sure. Okay, everything based on legal and whatever authority the state of Texas gives me. Today, you will be out of that car and you will identify yourself.
No,
okay?
I won't.
That will happen.
Give me supervisor.
I got some cover coming up.
Give me supervisor.
I will tell you this right now. At a certain point, if I have to break your window, get you out of that vehicle, find out who you are, I will. Please don't make me
Is that
do
a threat?
Please.
Is that a threat?
Whatever way you want to.
Is that a threat?
Whatever way you want to.
I will. Look, let me tell you this.
You can do that. You can do that. Here's the thing. All I'm trying to do is complete my traffic stop, to which at this point will be a warning. However, you're not going to get it your way. Like I'm telling you, this isn't a TikTok video. You're going to identify yourself.
You realize you're going to lose, right?
I might lose, but you know what? I will do.
You're going to lose your job. You're going to lose your job is what you're going to do.
If I lose my job, I lose my job.
But you don't care because you don't pay for it.
I will keep asking you politely, please let me see your driver's license.
Here's the thing. You don't care if you lose your job, if you lose a lawsuit. You don't care.
I have a job I have to do, and if I lose my job in the performance of my job, I will.
You don't care because it doesn't come out of your pocket. It comes out of the taxpayer's pocket.
Your driver's license. That's all you have to do.
Nope, I'm not going to get my rights violated. I'm telling you this right now.
You're not, but you know you could end up in jail today.
Nope.
You're
and if I do, I'm suing the shit out. If I do, I'm suing the shit out of you. You realize that, right?
You can do that. That is within your rights. Yes, sir.
You don't care because it doesn't come out of your pension. It comes out of the taxpayers' pockets. That's what happens.
Let me see your driver's license.
You don't care what happens to you.
You're doing 81.
You don't care what happens to you.
You're going to get a warning. Please. Let me see
your supervisor first.
It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't work like that.
Yes, it does. Remember,
I'm telling you, this is not a TikTok video. Please, let me see.
And I'm telling you, this isn't a TikTok video either. This is real life. This is my life. I'm not going to let you in my life. Okay?
That's why hopefully you'll do the right thing and identify yourself.
So you want me to give away my rights to satisfy your investigation is what you're saying?
It's not an investigation. I know you were speeding. You're going to get a warning up to this point.
I have 2 dash cams right here. They record my speed. I have my cruise control, on.
You can use that in the performance if you're taking me to court.
Yeah, I'll do that. Let me see your supervisor first and speak to someone else.
My supervisor is not going to come up for this. I do have some backup coming up, but no, my supervisor is not going to come up.
Give me a supervisor right here.
My supervisor is not going to come up.
Alrighty, then I have nothing else to say to you.
I am a legal police officer. I observed you speeding.
No, you didn't.
And I made a stop. And at this point, all I need to do is identify you as a driver. Please, let me see your driver's license.
So what actually happened is you're retaliating against me because I did this to you.
Well, you did that, but that means nothing to me.
Yes, it obviously does. That's why I'm stopped right now.
I'm sorry?
It obviously does mean something. That's why I'm stopped, right?
Well, that's why you think you're being stopped. But you're being stopped for doing 81 on a 75.
Kind of ironic that you turned on the lights as soon as I stuck my finger out like this. Turned on the lights, huh? Kind of ironic.
That's what happened. But I tell you what, I can only tell you and swear to what I myself did and know happened.
Here, how about this? I'll present to you my ID, but I'm not gonna hand it to you. I'll show it to you.
You're getting there. You see, it's working. I don't think you're a bad.
No. I'll show it to you. I'm not gonna hand it to you. So you have proof that this is my vehicle. You can't take a picture of it.
Well, no, I'm not gonna take a picture of it when I have to have the number, right?
Here.
Thank you.
That's as best as I'll give you. You're not gonna get it though. I'm not handing it to you.
Mr. Ramirez, I thank you for what you've done so far. Now, you're one thing correct, and that's the fact that this doesn't need to be elevated. I'm gonna go ahead and go write my warning. I'll be right back and let you go.
I need your partner's name and badge number.
You're still not free to leave.
For all of you watching, any time it calls you over, lock your door because they will open it, drag you out. The only reason he's writing me a warning is because he knows I'll win. He knows I'll win. I have 2 dash cameras and they record my speed. He knows.
Let me ask you this.
They're involved because they're here on the scene.
It doesn't count like that. None of them have made any contact with you.
That's okay. I still want their names and badge numbers.
Do you want to sign this? Yes or no?
First, let me get their names and badge numbers.
Do you want to sign this, sir? Yes or no?
Let me get their names and badge numbers first.
At this point in time, sir, you can leave, okay? You have a safe drive.
What happens if I don't sign that? What's your guy's name and badge numbers? What's your guys' names and badge numbers? (09662) 08400.
At this point in time, you're a danger to yourself because you're walking around here on the shoulder.
The highway's over there.
Do me a
I'm
favor.
over here.
You're totally fine. They're gonna leave. You've got my information. Do what you will with that.
What's their name and bags number?
Do me a favor. You're free to go. You're free to go. You have yourself a nice day.
So what happens if I don't sign that paper?
You didn't sign it. Nothing happened. You're free to go. You see what I'm saying? You're being
you escalated to a ticket, right? Because I didn't sign it.
Have a safe day. No, it will not. I promise you, it will not be turned into a ticket. You have a safe day. You are free to go. I appreciate it.
I will get all their names and bags numbers today. I got the license plate.
There you go. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Please be safe. Don't stay out here where somebody can run you over.
No, I'm gonna leave right now.
He wasn't arrested, he wasn't charged. But he also wasn't left alone. The officer walked away without explanation, and the man stayed behind with nothing but frustration. His rights were intact on paper, but the pressure, the tone, the treatment told a different story. Encounters like this don't always end in headlines. They just quietly chip away at trust. And for people who know they've done nothing wrong, that silence stays louder than any siren.